At BP Automation, we're getting the tough jobs done and increasing throughput with our Gear Cutter Machine Retrofit. We retrofitted this old-fashioned Sykes gear cutting machine from the 1950s. The KUKA robot is equipped with a Renishaw probe that is used as a measuring tool to find the gear cutters and align them to the rough-cut gear. This, combined with our servo motor retrofit for precision control of gear cutting, brings the time to perfectly align the cutters to the rough-cut gear from 8 hours to just minutes. Gone are the days of lengthy setup times and imprecise cuts. Join the ranks of forward-thinking business owners across Canada and let BP Automation create a solution that meets your manufacturing needs.